I am in love with this shampoo and conditioner. I actually found this because I wanted something that would work for our whole family. I had a different shampoo and conditioner for myself and my husband and my kids, and I just wanted something that would work on all our different hair types beautifully. And this has been wonderful on my hair. It doesn't leave any weight to my hair, and the main thing is it smells so luxurious. It's truly a fantastic smell. Now it is a little floral, it is very strong, so know that, but I usually keep these open just like this. So a little smell is always wafting into our bathroom and it makes our bathroom smell fantastic. I was actually planning to get a diffuser for our bathroom, but once I got this shampoo, I decided I didn't need to. And I specifically love that it's for all hair types. And this right here, it's really important to me to use shampoos I can trust for my whole family. Great for me, great for my kids. Kristin Ess Signature Shampoo and Conditioner. You're gonna love it.